everyone! I thought that we could do some vocal warm-ups and exercises today that focus on some different intervals. This will help us with interval awareness as well as clean singing. These will help with vocal agility as well as moving through various note progressions smoothly. So have some fun with these. We'll start with Coup on 1, 2, 1, 7, 1. This exercise goes up and down a whole step, then down and back up a half step. So we're singing on do, re, do, ti, do, or with numbers 1, 2, 1, 7, 1 on Coup. Here we go. Coup. Now let's do a half step exercise. We can sing on knee like this. Knee. Aim for accuracy here. Here we go. Knee. Now we're going to sing on 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is do, sol, la, ti, do. This starts with a descending fourth. You might recognize that as born free or there goes the bride. Let's go ahead and sing this on an O sound. We'll sing on the word go. Go and go. Go. To sing on a pattern that covers a full octave. We'll start on a descending fifth, go back up to 5, up to the octave, back to 5, and back to 1. We're going to sing on the letter V, gliding between intervals, like this. Take your time. move into a minor triad as we sing E, O, E, O, E. A minor third is lower than a major third, but let's make sure that we don't let it be any lower than it should be. It sounds like this. E, O, E, O, E, and go. E, O, E, O, E. 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 For this next exercise, we're going to sing a major chord, but we're going to drop the fifth down an octave, so it's going to sound like this. The first interval is a perfect fourth. Here comes the bride, followed by a major third. We'll sing on na like this. Na, na, and try it. Na, na. Now we'll sing a neo-eo like this. Neo-eo-eo-eo-eo. This mixes major and minor thirds with one descending whole step. Once again, that's neo-eo-eo-eo-eo. Here we go. Neo-eo-eo-eo-eo. For this next exercise, we will start with a root position triad, and then add an additional note. It sounds like this. And we'll sing this on viddy, 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 viddy. Try it and go. Viddy, 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 viddy. 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 Finally, we will work on an exercise that covers a bit more ground. The words are I sigh, I sing, I sing. We will sing I sigh, I sing, I sing. On On the sigh, go ahead and glide down and then aim for clean intervals during the octave transition. One more time, that's I sigh, I sing. Here we go. I sigh, I sing, I sing. 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 Thanks so much for watching and joining me today. I hope you'll share this with a friend, and I will see you next time. You're not going to want to sit there for very long, are you? You gonna work or you gonna play?